What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I don't know, today I thought I'll give my GoPro Hero head strap a go. I look like an idiot in this, but I thought it'd be cool to show you a POV style video. It's just something different, and since I've ordered I ordered this big bunch of accessories for the GoPro, and one of the accessories that came with the whole bag was a head strap, so I figured why not give it a shot and see how it goes. So I'm just on my way back home, and I'm just gonna record this video and see how you guys like it. I personally I do find myself watching sometimes a POV drive video. It's just interesting for me to see. I don't know what it is about it, to be honest, but I'm not gonna lie, I do watch quite a few of them videos. Not regularly, but when something cool comes up in my recommended, I do give it a look. Speaking about looks, I wonder what people think when they see this big ass fat camera on my head. What else I was gonna ask you guys? What do you think about the quality of this camera? Personally, I think I mean, I wish I could have something better, but at the time that's all I can afford, so I'm just gonna stick with it, and I hope you guys are not too bothered about the slightly average quality of the video. This is a GoPro Hero, the very budget one they released back in I think it's 2014, back when they released their GoPro Hero 4, and they released this one as their like starter pack. So I was fortunate enough to receive this gift for free, so I'm lucky enough to have this and not have anything at all. This does record in full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. It doesn't do 60. It does 60 in 720p, but I think 1080 30 it's good enough for now. So let me know how the quality is for you and what you think about it. I don't really have anything to talk about to be honest. Just on my way home, and I'll give this mount a go. So just out of curiosity, like, obviously my channel is not the biggest yet, but I do at the moment, I think I have around 330 subscribers, which I'm happy about. And I'm just wondering, what kind of videos would you like to see? My plans for 2018 is drive more cars, different types of cars. One of the things I wanted to do is, for those who don't know, this car is going up for sale in a few days. And what's the next long-term car for me is a 335i, hopefully. I'm just waiting for the right one to come up for sale, and I've been waiting for a while already, and I think I'm gonna stay patient, guys, because I don't want to get just the first one that comes up for sale and then regret it down the line. You know, this car, it's about 10,000 to get, and I want to get the right one for that kind of money. You know, I'm looking for black or blue exterior, has to be an M Sport, preferably red leather interior with iDrive system, and I was gonna say manual, but guys, it's pretty much impossible to get a manual in a good condition in this country. It's, you see it very rarely. It comes in the standard, like the SE version, which I'm not really interested in. But yeah, but before I be able to get this car, it's gonna be a while before I be able to get it. So in the meantime, I was thinking to buy and experience some of the cheaper cars. For example, I always wanted to drive a Mark 4 GTI. I know it's a bit weird one, but ever since Need for Speed, if you guys play on Need for Speed, it's one of the first cars unlocked. And me as a child, I don't know how old was I, but it was about 10 maybe. For some reason, I always liked the GTI, the Golf, and I don't know, it kind of dropped since I got older. But since it's gonna be a while before I be able to get the 335. I was thinking I could like buy some of the cheaper cars and experience them. A Mark 4 GTI these days, it's way under 1,000 euros, guys, and I don't know, I think it's worth it just to try it, to see how it is. The 1.8 turbo, they come with 150 horsepower in the most standard version, and you can get an easy remap here for about 200-300 euros, and it could be a really fun car. So I'm really thinking about it, and I might just do it. We'll see. The other plans for 2018 is definitely to create more videos and get better at making videos. If you made it this far into the video, you can tell I'm not really 100% comfortable talking to a camera yet, but I'm slowly getting there. So my goal for 2018 is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna work as hard as I can to achieve this goal by the end of the year. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm coming up to my estate now. I don't really want to show you where I live. No offense. I don't know, let me know what you think about this POV style video. I just thought I'll give this mount a go, and I don't know, let me know if you liked it or not, and also let me know what kind of other videos you would like to see from me. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.